Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging into your Workday account. Workday is a powerful tool for managing your business operations, and getting started with it is easier than you might think. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open your web browser. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to the Workday login page. In the address bar, type in the official Workday login URL, www.workday.com. This will take you to the Workday homepage. Step 3. Click on the Login button. On the Workday homepage, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the login screen. Step 4. Enter your Workday account credentials. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. Make sure to input the correct information associated with your Workday account. Double-check for any typing errors to avoid login issues. Step 5. Click Sign In. After entering your credentials, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to your Workday dashboard, where you can access all the features and tools available to you. Step 6. Troubleshooting login issues. If you encounter any problems while logging in, such as forgetting your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password and regain access to your account. Step 7. Log out when finished. For security purposes, always remember to log out of your Workday account after you are done, especially when using a shared device. You can find the logout option by clicking on your profile icon, usually located in the upper right corner. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to log into your Workday account. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials, and be sure to like this video if you found it useful.